Hello students, now we see some more exercise in chapter number 2, fun with numbers. First, put circle around the smallest number and square around the greatest number. So here 5 numbers are given to us. We have to find which one is the smallest and which one is the greatest. And then we have to put circle on the smallest number and put square on the greatest number. Students, we know how to find smallest or greatest number. So for that we check the first digit, means hundredth place digit of each number. Here on hundredth place we have 1, here 2, here 9, 8 and 4. So among 1, 2, 9, 8 and 4, which one is the smallest one? Yes, 1 is the smallest one, means this number, and that's why this number 189 is the smallest number among these 5 numbers. So we put circle on 189. Now we find the greatest number. Students, we know that now 189 is the smallest number. Now we check which one is the greatest number among these 4 numbers. So again we check the hundredth place digit of each number. Here we have 2, 9, 8 and 4. So among 2, 9, 8 and 4, which one is the biggest one? Means which one is the greatest one? Yes, 9 is the greatest one. That's why 903 is the greatest number. So we put a box on 903. So this way you have to find the smallest number and the greatest number. Now write the just preceding number. Students, we know that preceding number means before number. I have already taught you how to find the before number. So we have number 380. We have to write the number just preceding 380. 380 ની પહેલા જે નંબર આપવો હોય એ આપણે લખવાનો છે. So 380. We write 300 as it is, and then we have to see before 80 which number comes. So students, we know that 80 comes in line of 71. So we speak line of 71 and we have to check which number comes before 80. So 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. So before 80 which number comes? Yes, 79. So here we have to write 79. So 379 is the just preceding number of 380. Now students, here we have 500. So 500 we cannot write here 500 place. Why? See, 500 we make two part of 500. 400 plus 100. 400 plus 100, 500. And here we have to write 400 as it is. But in 100 we have to see which number comes before 100. So yes students, we know that before 199 comes. So here we have 400 plus 900. So it comes before 1000. And I taught you another method also to find the just preceding number. What we have to do? We have to subtract 1 from the given number. If you don't know how to find this, then what you have to do? You have to subtract 1 from the given number. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So we have to borrow. Here also we have 0. So we have to borrow from 5. Here remains 4. This 0 will get 10. But he has to borrow to another 0. Now 10 minus 1, 9. 9 as it is and 4 as it is. So we get number 499. It comes just before 500. Understood? Now write the succeeding number. Succeeding number means after number. We have to find the after number of 376. So 376, we write 300 as it is 76. After 76, which number comes? 76, 77. So here we write 77. So 377 is the just succeeding number of 376. Students, when we have problem, when we have 0 on tens and ones place, in that case we will confuse. See, here we have 600. So after 600, which number will come? So I show you. If you don't know which number will come, I have taught you that when we have to find succeeding number, add 1 in the given number. So the given number is 600. We have to add 1 to find the after number of 8. So 0 plus 1, 1, 0 and 6. So 600, after 600, 601 comes. Then write the middle number. Two numbers are given to us. We have to find which number will come in middle of these two numbers. So 249. When we write middle number, we have to check that after first number, which number will come. 249. Then after 49, which number will come? So after 49, 50 will come. So we write here 250. Then we have to check 249, 250 and 251 is given to us. Then 604, after 604, 605 and then 606. Now write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So here we have 5 numbers. We have to find the smallest one, then bigger than it, then bigger, then bigger, then at last we have to write the biggest one. So first of all, we find which number is the smallest one. See, we check their hundreds place. Here we have 3, here 7, 8, 6 and 6. So 3, 7, 8, 6, 6. Which one is the smallest one? Yes, 3 is the smallest one. So this number is the smallest one. We write it first and then we cancel. Now we check 7, 8, 6, 6. So among 7 and 6, which one is the smallest? 6 is smallest, but here we have 6 in 2 numbers. So in this case, we have to check the tens place. So here we have 8 and here we have 7. Now we have to compare 8 and 7. Which one is smaller? 7 is smaller. So this number will come on second place. So we write here 673 and we cancel it. Now 7, 8 and 6. 6 is smaller. So this number will come on third place. 657. Now we compare 7 and 8. Between 7 and 8, 7 is smaller. So we write it 738 and at last the biggest number is 873. So this is called to write the numbers in ascending order, means smaller to bigger. Now write the numbers in descending order. order means bigger to small. Means first of all we have to write the biggest number and at last we have to write the smallest number. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers. Among these, first of all we have to find the biggest number. So we check that hundreds place easy. 5, 5, 4, 4, 5. See, we have only we get 2 digits 5 and 4. So between 5 and 4, 5 is the bigger. Okay, 5 is bigger. But we have 3 numbers have 5 on their hundreds place. So we have to check their tens place. Here 1, here 4 and here 0. So we compare them 1, 4 and 0. Among 1, 4 and 0, which one is the biggest one? Yes, 4 is the biggest one. So this number is the biggest number. We have to write it first 541 and cancel it. Now we check these two numbers. So 540 and 500, we check the tens place. 1 here and here 0. So between 1 and 0, 1 is greater. So we write 540 on second place. And here 4, we check that for 100 place it is 4, 4 and 5. It has 5. So 5 is greater. It will come on third place. Now we compare these two numbers. See, both have 4 on their hundreds place. So we check their tens place. Here we have 5 and here 1. So between these two numbers, 5 and 1, which one is greater? 5 is greater. So 451 is greater. We write it here. And at last we have 415. It is the smallest number. So we write it here. So this is called arrange the numbers in descending order. Now expand the number by using 100, 10 and 1. So students, we have already seen how to expand the number. But here it is different. Here we have to use 100, 10 and 1. And by using 100, 10 and 1, we have to expand the number. See, here for 100's place, we have 2. Means 2 times 100. Here we have to write 2 times 100 this way. 100 one time and 100 second time. So 2 times 100. On tens place we have 4. So on tens place we have 4 means 4 times 10. So we write 4 times 10. 1 times 10 plus 2 times 10, 3 times 10 and 4 times 10. Then 3 on 1's place. So 3 times 1. So we write 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 times 1. So this is called expand the number by using 100, 10 and 1. Now see, another number is equal to 333. Here we have 3 on 100's place. 3 on 100's place means 3 times 100. 100 one time, 100 second time and 100 third time. Then 3 on 10's place means 3 times 10. So plus 10, 10, 10. And 3 on 1's place means 3 times 1. So plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So this is called expand the number by using 100, 10 and 1. So students, I hope you have understood all the